This is SP machine, and Mr. Ronnie and two biggest engineer are attentively checking where the default and where the defect. Okay, now they are very attentive on the work. Okay. Oh, this is SP machine. Okay. How to check? How to check? Oh, super. It's an amazing moment here. Okay.
নষ্ট প্রিন্টার নেই প্রত্যেকটা বোর্ড চেঞ্জ করছে
They are checking estimation.
চেঞ্জ করছে বোর্ড চেঞ্জ করছে নিচে পাওয়ার বোর্ড চেঞ্জ
They are changing all the parts, but
আলাদা আলাদা
not really this machine. For that, Mr. Ronnie is the biggest engineer in our SPSL sector, and is trying to resolve the issues. And the engineer are explain where the problem actually. Okay. Oh my God. No. This engineer, there are three engineers, Mr. Nasir, Mr. Ronnie, and I'm not sure what's the name. Good. Okay. And they are trying to resolve the issues. I think so. The main engineer is Mr. Ronnie, and now he's working attentively right now. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. How many parts here? Oh, so far.
Model.
Oh.
LBP 6030